If calculating equivalent units of production just doesn't make sense, grab a cup of coffee, or in this case, grab 100. We're going to use a scenario where a company can make 100 shots of espresso using one bag of coffee beans, which costs them $20. This means that we have a direct materials cost of 20 cents for each cup of coffee, or espresso. As far as direct labor goes, each shot requires 3 minutes of barista time to do their thing and serve the espresso. We pay our baristas 30 cents per minute, which means that we have a direct labor cost of 90 cents per shot. We also have a predetermined overhead rate of $1.50 per machine hour. Each shot requires 2 minutes of espresso brewing process, which means that each shot of espresso will be allocated $3 of manufacturing overhead. When we add these three product costs together, we get a total product cost of $4.10 per shot of espresso. Remember that direct labor and manufacturing overhead can be combined together and called conversion costs. If we did that, we would say that we have $3.90 of conversion. Now, let's apply process costing with the same information. Our barista dumps the entire bag of espresso beans into the hopper. At this point, we have 100 cups of coffee that are 100% complete for direct materials. However, only 95 cups have actually been served. For the other 5 cups, the espresso has been brewed, but the barista hasn't finished the job and served the shot yet. Because of this, those 5 cups are only 76.9% complete for conversion. When we look at the numbers, we know that the 95 cups that have been served are 100% complete for both direct materials and conversion. For the 5 cups that are left in process, they are 76.9% complete for conversion because the barista still needs to come back and do their job. If we multiply 5 cups by 76.9%, we calculate an equivalent unit of 3.845. When we add that together, we have a total of 98.845 equivalent units of production. When we look at the direct material cost and conversion cost, we have $20 of direct materials divided by the 100 units gets us 20 cents of direct materials cost. For conversion, we have cost of $385 and divide it by 98.845, which gets us 3.9 in conversion per unit. The 20 cents plus our 3.9 gets us back to that same $4.10 per shot that we had calculated earlier. So, where did that $385 come from? Earlier, we said that the conversion cost of a single shot was $3.90, $3 from overhead and 90 cents in direct labor. 95 cups times the 3.9 gets us $370. Now, for those other 5 cups, they've used the espresso machine, which means we need to allocate overhead. So we allocate $3 of overhead to every cup, costing us another $15, which gets us to the $385.50 of costs.